Okay, so I have got this resource monitor here. Okay, I got this resource monitor here. You can see the CPU usage, memory, this and whatever. And I think in the background there is a virus protection, virus quick scan is running. So you see the memory usage is high. What is all of this about? This is basically a T14 Lenovo running with 16 gig of RAM. Is a i5 10 Gen. This is T14, which is quite good and quite new, right? And then, of course, this is a very straightforward system. There is no touch support. There is no touch screen, right? And then it has 16 gig of RAM. I think this has 512 gigabyte of CPU. I mean, sorry, of SSD, right? And then we want to monitor and see what is the usage here, right? 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 tab edges. Okay, edge tabs. Sorry, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7. You got, I think, about 20 Chrome open, 4 Excel file open. Okay, you got the virus scan running. Your CPU can still hold up, and your memory is not maxed out. And this is a T14 i5 10 Gen with 16 gig of RAM. Nobody in their right mind works more than this data ongoing. Nobody actually will run the virus scan real time with opening so much of activity going on. So this will never be the use case. Normally people will never run the virus scan while they're actually working on something, this many tabs and this many Excel files, right? But even in this kind of scenario, okay, your CPU, your usage can even drop down back to 59%, 32%. The RAM is hardly used up, and your all 4 videos are actually running in the background. Okay, so let's be very frank, what is actually the use case, rather than you keep trying to max out and buy the maximum. Okay, having said that, that's all for me now.